Hi students, welcome to our chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss about our second chapter, basic constituents of matter. We already know that what matter is. Yes, it's anything that occupies space and has mass. In this chapter we are going to study about elements, compounds, origin of the names of elements, atoms and molecules, how to represent atoms and molecules, and about chemical equations. The earth in which we live is rich in diverse substances. Most of these substances, which occur in different physical states, are mixtures, and a few others are pure substances. Each substance is made of tiny particles. Let's carry out an experiment. Take one or two pieces of camphor and heat it. What kind of change occurs to camphor? Camphor becomes vapor and disappears. That means it directly changes to gaseous state, isn't it? Yes, the process is called sublimation. Do you get the smell when it heats? Yes, the smell spreads everywhere. Let's do another experiment. We learned that all the substances like sugar, candy, potassium, permanganate, water and camphor are all made of minute particles. Fill 1/4 of a boiling tube with sugar and close it with cotton, then heat the boiling tube strongly. What can be observed? What is seen on the sides of the boiling tube? The sugar becomes charred. Water vapor appears inside the test tube. Water drops appear on the sides of the test tube. Sir Humphrey Davy discovered that when electricity is passed through water, it splits into hydrogen and oxygen. Davy's findings was made possible by the discovery of Henry Cavendish that hydrogen burns in oxygen to give water. Sugar, a pure substance, can be further divided into carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Similarly, another pure substance, water, can be divided into hydrogen and oxygen. Now you realize that pure substances are of two kinds. What are they? Elements and compounds. Pure substances are of two kinds. They are elements and compounds. Elements are pure substances which cannot be split into simpler components through chemical processes. Example: gold, silver, hydrogen, carbon, oxygen. Compounds are substances formed by the combination of two or more elements through chemical reactions. Example, salt, camphor, sugar, water, toothpaste, etc. are the examples of compounds. So students, today we discussed about elements and compounds. That's all for today. Thank you.